Start. I am directed to say that three types of situations arise when a government servant is charge sheeted and subjected to a departmental inquiry, whether under the Punjab Civil Services Rules 1952 or under any other rules applicable to the government servant concerned. Stop. No difficulty is experienced in respect of cases of category 1 in case there is an element of corruption or dishonesty in the charge. Instructions already exist that the only right penalty in such cases is dismissal. Stop. Punjab Government Letter number 122 dated the 19th July 1948 may be referred to in this connection. Stop. Similarly, cases of category 2 also present on difficulty. Stop. If the government servant was under suspension prior to the date on which the competent authority holds him to have fully exonerated, he is immediately and under sub rule 2 of rule 7.3 of the Punjab Civil Services Rules volume 1 part 1, he is entitled to full pay and allowances for the period of suspension. Stop. Further, under sub rule 4 of the same rule, he is entitled to have the period of his absence from duty treated as duty for all purposes. Stop. Case falling under category 3 present certain difficulties, and it is the object of this letter to clarify the policy of government about how such cases should be treated. Stop. Difficulties arise in doubtful cases for the following reasons. Stop. It is not always a clear from the inquiry officer's report that the case is a doubtful one, and the tendency is for punishing authorities to treat all unproved cases as cases of exoneration unless there is specific finding from the inquiry officer, in so many words, that the case is a doubtful one. Stop.